Let me tell you a hard truth. People don't promote the hardest worker, they promote the most liked one. Today, I'll show you the exact mind hacks to become everyone's favorite at the office without being fake. Boom. Retention locked. First up, the reverse spotlight hack. The secret here is simple. People love those who make them feel important. So, what do? Ask about their projects. Praise their effort publicly. And when you're in a meeting, credit people openly. The psychology behind this is that people will subconsciously support those who boost their ego. Think about it. In the office, if you make your boss look smart, your boss will make your career smart. It's a win-win. Next, we have the micro-help superpower. This is all about understanding that big favors often grow from small helps. You can do this by sharing files before you're even asked, or maybe cover a small task for a colleague during a crunch time. Solving tiny problems fast for others builds a huge amount of goodwill. The psychology is that repeated small wins build trust much faster than making big, grand promises that you might not even keep. It shows you're a reliable team player, and that's invaluable. Mind hack number 3 is the emotion thermostat hack. If you can control your emotions, you will dominate respect in any room. The key is to stay calm during chaos. Never react emotionally in meetings, no matter how heated things get. Always choose to respond thoughtfully, never explode. The office truth is that the calmest person in the room automatically becomes the perceived leader. People look to that person for guidance and stability when things get tough. Coming in at number 4 is the strategic compliment rule. This isn't about fake praise. It's about precision praise. So, instead of saying something generic and cringy like, "You're amazing, sir," be specific. Try something like, "Your presentation structure was very clear and easy to follow," or "Your follow-up speed really helps the entire team stay on track." The effect is powerful. You give genuine validation without sacrificing your own self-respect, and people appreciate the sincerity. Hack number 5 is the selective availability mind trick. If you're always available, you risk being taken for granted. But if you're selectively available, you gain respect. This doesn't mean being unhelpful. It means you don't jump at every single request instantly. Respond with calm confidence and set soft boundaries around your time. The psychology of the office respects scarcity, not desperation. Your time is valuable, so treat it that way. Number 6 is the mirror language hack. People instinctively trust those who sound like them. It's a subtle but powerful technique. When you're talking to someone, try to match their tone of voice. Mirror their pace of speaking, and listen for their keywords, then use them in your own sentences. The result? Their brain silently says, "This person feels familiar. I feel safe with them." It creates an instant, subconscious connection. Finally, we have the low-drama, high-value formula. The absolute fastest way to become a favorite at work is to have zero gossip and high reliability. So, actively avoid office rumors. Keep your conversations productive and focused on the work. And most importantly, deliver on your promises consistently. There's an unwritten office law. The person who avoids drama automatically becomes management's safe bet. You become the go-to person they know they can count on. So, let's wrap this up. At the office, people don't support who works the hardest. They support who makes them feel safest, smartest, and strongest. Master these mind hacks, and watch how favor starts following you everywhere you go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to level up your career.